Hi, I'm Paul Tarantino, CEO of Byte Federal. If you're still waiting for confirmation that Bitcoin is going mainstream, this past week delivered it in spades. Let's start with one of Latin America's most influential businessmen. Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas made headlines saying he expects Bitcoin to reach $1 million very soon. Salinas holds approximately 70% of his net worth in Bitcoin, so he isn't just making bold predictions, he's living them. His view reflects what we're seeing globally: high net worth individuals treating Bitcoin not as speculation, but as a core generational asset. And while no one can predict the exact timeline, it's hard to ignore the conviction of those who've placed serious money on the line. At Byte Federal, we recognize the significance of leaders like Salinas doubling down. This isn't a fringe asset anymore. This is mainstream wealth, signaling a massive change in the financial system. And that same conviction is showing up in the public markets. In the past week alone, Treasury focused companies added over 11,000 Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Strategy acquired 10,100 Bitcoin, bringing its total to a staggering 592,100 Bitcoin, over 2.5% of all Bitcoin in circulation. Meanwhile, Japan based Metaplanet added 1,112 BTC, crossing the 10,000 BTC milestone, and Europe's blockchain group added another 182 BTC, bringing their total to 1,653. These aren't short term trades, these are long term strategic moves by institutions. Bitcoin on the balance sheet isn't just an inflation hedge, it is a permanent shift into the future of finance. At Byte Federal, we're helping individuals and small businesses access the same tools these treasury giants are using. Because Bitcoin isn't just for institutions, it's for everyone. While billionaires and corporations are making headlines, US states are also throwing their hat in the ring. Ohio's House just passed HB 116, a landmark piece of Bitcoin legislation known as the Blockchain Basics Act. It passed with strong bipartisan support and now heads to the Senate. This bill includes state capital gains tax exemption for crypto purchases under $200, legal protections for self custody and mining, as well as a carve out for staking and mining operations, eliminating the need for a money transmitter license. This kind of law is practical, clear, and sends a message that Ohio is open for Bitcoin business. At Byte Federal, we applaud these steps. HB 116 isn't just policy, it's real progress toward Bitcoin being accessible, secure, and integrated into everyday financial life. From billionaires to boardrooms to ballot boxes, Bitcoin is no longer a niche. It's a global movement reshaping how people protect wealth, do business, and build the future. And Byte Federal is proud to be at the forefront, giving Americans the tools they need to access the best money the world has ever seen.